In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem your Google Play gift card on your Android phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is firstly, you just go over to our Play Store. Then on the top right, go ahead and click on the profile icon. You're going to see a lot of different things, but one of the options you're going to see is gift cards. Go into that. Now you're going to see all these gift cards you can buy, but as you can see, of course, you don't see a redeem option. Even though you can get Google Play gift cards and anything like that, it just lets you buy it. But it also shows you how to redeem. So what we want to do is go back to our profile icon, then go over to payments and subscriptions. And right here, the very last option you're going to see is redeem code. Now over here, you can either scan a gift card where it's going to scan the barcode, or you can enter the code manually as well if you want to. Maybe the scanning option isn't working for you properly. And then once you redeem it, the funds are going to be instantly available to use on whichever application you want, whether it's in-game content or anything else. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.